Written sources. The following sources are included in the written sources. Written sources: newspapers, periodicals, diaries, reference books, correspondence, documents in the archives, government gazettes, postage stamps, encyclopedias. Do you know? The place where historical documents are preserved is called archives. The main office of the National Archives of India is at New Delhi. It is the largest among the archives in Asia. Just as newspapers are considered the fourth pillar of democracy in the modern period, they are also a major medium of information. If we consider the period from 1961 to 2000, we see that in the beginning, there was no alternative to the print media, especially newspapers. With liberalization and widespread use of internet in India, an alternative for print media became available. Yet, the print media still continues to be powerful. Newspapers. Through newspapers, we can get information about national and international affairs, politics, art, sports, literature, and social and cultural affairs. Newspapers contain matters related to human life. Most national newspapers have started their regional editions. They publish supplements that give information about various topics. Newsletters of various movements, the dailies or weeklies of political parties, monthly and annual magazines are important among the print media. Some newspapers produce special supplements towards the end of the year that take an overview of the important events of the year. Such supplements help us understand the important events of the year. Press Trust of India, PTI. After 1953, the Press Trust of India has been an important source of primary details of all important events and of articles on important subjects. Press Trust of India has provided reports, photographs, and articles on financial and scientific issues to newspapers. PTI has now started its online service. During the 1990s, PTI started using the satellite broadcast technology instead of teleprinters to send news all over the country. This material is important for writing the history of modern India. Postage stamps. The postage stamps don't reveal anything on their own. Yet, a historian makes them speak. There have been several changes in postage stamps since India became independent. Postage stamps reveal a lot to us about changing times due to the variety in the sizes of the stamps, the novelty in their subjects, and color schemes. The Postal Department issues postage stamps on a wide variety of themes like political leaders, flowers, animals, birds, an event, or the silver, golden, diamond jubilees, or centenary, bicentenary, tricentenary of different events. It is therefore a valuable repository of history. Material sources. The following sources are included among the physical sources. Material sources: coins, place of worship, things in daily use, royal seals, ornaments, museums, clothing, modern architecture. Coins. We can also understand history with the help of coins and the changes in the printing of currency notes. Reserve Bank of India prints the notes. It has its headquarters in Mumbai. The coins from 1950 to those used at present, the metals used for making them, their different shapes, the diversity of subjects on them together help us to understand the important contemporary issues in India. Example: coins to convey the message of population control, and coins communicating the importance of agriculture and of farmers. Museums. All states of India have museums that depict the characteristics and display the cultural and social heritage of the state. They enable us to understand history. Example, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum at Mumbai, Reserve Bank Museum in Pune city. Apart from the government museums, some private collectors also set up their own museums. They are based on distinctive subjects. Example, coins, notes, lamps and nutcrackers in different shapes, cricket equipment, etc. Oral sources. These sources include folk tales, folk songs, proverbs, ballads and ovis, which is the Marathi verses in the oral tradition. Activists were inspired by the povadas of Lokshahir Anna Bhau Sathe and Shahir Amar Sheikh during the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement. Audiovisual sources. Television, films, internet are called audiovisual media. Many domestic and foreign television channels also come under this head. Example, History Channel, Discovery Channel, etc. Film and Television Institute of India, FTII. The Government of India started the Film and Television Institute of India at Pune in 1960 with the purpose of providing public education. An institute called Indian News Review has produced various newsreels on important events in politics, social issues, art, sports and culture. This department has also produced various documentaries on prominent social leaders, on people who have made major contributions for the country, and about important locations in India. These news releases and documentaries are useful for studying the history of modern India.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।